So I saw your question. Let's see. The average time spent sleeping in hours for a group of medical residents at a hospital can be approximately normal distribution as shown at the graph at the right. So they give us the mean and the standard deviation here. Here's a normal curve. What is the shortest time that can be spent sleeping that would place a student in the top 95%? So that they want 5% over here, and so that would mean 95% would be over here to the left. And so we got to look up, so 1 minus the 5% will be 0.95. And so this value here, we got to look, this part here, the table will be 0.95 over here. This, we got 5% over here. So when you look up in the table 0.95, I find this z-score of 1.645. This is the formula for finding the score we're after. It's the mean plus the z-score, which you got to look up, times standard deviation. The mean and the standard deviation are given, so you got to look up that based on the 0.95. You do this arithmetic, and then you're supposed to round that to the nearest hundredth. Now, you can also use StatCrunch. If you put this info into StatCrunch, it would do the calculations for you and just give this number. Hope this helps.